Hello everyone, I'm Asante Nkrumah, and on behalf of my team, I'm very excited to present our project Susu Plus, a modern mobile contribution management system. Here, when you look around in Ghana today, especially here in Accra, you often see people carrying cross bags and umbrellas under the hot sun, moving from shop to shop, office to office, and moving from house to house. What are they doing? They are collecting Susu contribution. Yes, although this traditional system has helped many people save money over the years, it also comes with challenges. Mm, Let's say collectors spend hours moving around. Records are often kept manually, so payments can be forgotten, and mistakes or disputes can arise it because information isn't always transparent. To solve this challenge, my team and I developed Susu Plus, a secure, transparent, and easy to use digital platform that allows users to manage groups, saving, or they allow managers to, they allow, I mean, easy to use digital platforms that allow users to manage group savings entirely from their mobile phones. But Susu Plus is more than just a convenience. It promotes accountability, it reduces human error, it improves financial transparency and saves valuable time for both members and administrators. Now, before I demonstrate the app, let me begin with the first feature every user interacts with: authentication and user management.
Hello everyone, my name is Salatini and I'll be taking you through the page on screen and the contribution. So first of all, if the user logs in, the user is supposed to create a group for him. So let's create a group. So we are giving this name Yaya group. And what is Yaya group going to do? So as part of creating the group, the description is what you are using the Yaya group to do. You're using it for Gary. And then assigning the contribution amount to 65. And then every month for the contribution process, the can tell us whether you'll be paying weekly, maybe 2 weeks or monthly. I choose weekly. And then for every group, you're supposed to have at most 10 groups. So let's read it. We move back and then we see that the Yaya group is created successfully. So how do we join a group, right? So before you be able to join a group, you have to have a token. So let's say I want to join the Yaya group. I go to groups and then I see the Yaya group code there. Right? So let's join the group. Let's join the Yaya group. So let's join a group. So over here we have the Yahoo group. But before you'll be able to join any group, every group has its unique code, right? So let's join Yahoo. Yeah, Yahoo has its code as ESP KG7. Yeah, so let's join. So it's trying to tell you guys that I'm already a member, but if you are not a member, it will actually create a group for you. So the coding aspect. So we created this Facebook widget because we will be getting lots of dynamic inputs, right? So I'll be able to create a group. Someone can be able to create a group. So the Facebook widget handles that, right? And then we also created the create fields. That's where as we're going through the system, so that we're able to add the group, add the description, add the monthly and then the weekly. So that's what the system is about.
Okay. Good evening. Yeah, I'm Yaududu Buache, a member of the Susu Plus group. and I will be taking for the ledger, for the notification, and also for the dashboard. So with our app, you can see that we have a beautiful interface for our dashboard where you have a small photo here that shows the user initials. You see it has taken the Y and the D. And you can also see the total savings that shows the amount of money deposited in the account and the amount of transactions that has been done in the account. You can also see the number of groups here. You can also see the tab for creating group. You can see the tab for joining a group. You can see a tab for depositing funds. And you can also view our ledger. So let's try and view the ledger and see. Yes, so you see that we've deposited 200 cedis in our account and the time was 8:12. So with this project, one of our main scope was to do a ledger that is very transparent, that you can see any history that goes on in the account, whether deposit, whether withdrawal. So yes, and you can see that feature here. Here you can see that we just deposited amount in the account. And let's come here. So this are our groups. So we can create a group so that you can see how it works. So let's create a group. So let's name it, let's say BIT level 300. Sorry, level 300. And the description is weekly Susu. And the contribution amount every day, let's put it, let's say 50 cedis. And let's put it weekly. Maximum amount is 5. So create group. Okay. Yeah, so you can see that the group has been created successfully here. You can see the BIT level 300 here, and you can see the code. So we've done it in such a way that when you create a group and you want to add maybe your friends, you will just need to give your friends the code for the group and they will just put it in the group. So that's not my part. So let's move on. So here you can also view the ledger, and I've talked about that already. And here, yeah, and our app also has a notification button here. So anytime, let's say it automates the payment, the notification will show here. Anytime you do a deposit, it will show here. And yes, you can come to the profile here too. You can see the username, you can see the user email, and you can see even the time that the user created the account. So yes, this app is very efficient and it performs whatever was specified for us in our project. Yeah, so that's it for my part of the presentation. Thank you.